Welcome to our Taj Mahal ka room. This is going to be our stay for one day. So it's a small but very cozy room. सबसे पहले यहाँ का सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट हम देखेंगे ताज होटल का व्यू, जो हमारे रूम से व्यू है, पूल एंड गार्डन व्यू. सो क्या है सरप्राइज? ये है पूल. आई गेस यहाँ पे
Which is obviously closed due to COVID.
हाँ, कोविड की वजह से बंद है. फाउंटेन की जो आवाज है, शहर के शोर से दूर हमारा ये रूम है. शहर का जो हॉकिंग है वो नहीं सुन रहा है, बस एक धीमी धीमी फाउंटेन की आवाज है. बहुत ही रिलैक्सिंग, ऐसे लग रहा है कि जैसे अब कहीं दूर छुट्टी बनाने के लिए आ गए हैं. एंड ओके, so going back to our room.
I love this corner.
ये बेस्ट है, यहाँ पे बैठ के आप अपनी
Coffee पिएंगे.
कॉफी पियो, बुक पढ़ो. बुक लाया है कोई? नहीं.
E-book.
ई बुक पढ़ो, किंडल पे पढ़ो. एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव अ स्टडी टेबल. अगर आप अपने स्टेकेशन आप कर रहे हैं, आपको ऑफिस का काम आ गया है, देन यू ऑलवेज हैव अ डेस्क.
Work from Taj.
वर्क फ्रॉम ताज. एंड there's a good size TV, जहाँ पे अभी कोविड की गाइडलाइंस डिस्प्ले हो रही हैं. दिस इज सेंट्रलाइज्ड एसी. और सेंट्रलाइज्ड एसी से याद आया कि यू कैन ऑलवेज सेट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ योर रूम फ्रॉम दिस बटन. या
You can switch it off, switch it on. All the control is here.
यस. और क्या एक्साइटिंग है यहाँ पे?
All the Lucknow heritage displayed in the room.
Uh-huh.
There are multiple photographs. This is Bada Imam Bara.
बड़ा इमाम बाड़ा लखनऊ का एक बहुत ही फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट है, विच यू मस्ट विजिट इफ यू एवर कम टू लखनऊ. एंड
We have these three photos here.
अगेन बड़ा इमाम बाड़ा,
Gateway, Kesar Bagh.
केसर बाग.
And this is Rumi Darwaza. This is again Bada Imam Bala inside view.
भाई बड़ा इमाम बाड़ा तो जाना ही चाहिए.
इतना बड़ा है इसलिए बहुत बड़ी बड़ी
हाँ,
फोटोज.
बहुत.
बड़ा इमाम बाड़ा is a must visit if you are in Lucknow. Clock Tower.
तो एक आपको एक हाईलाइट आपको रूम में ही दे दिया है यहाँ की बेस्ट प्लेसेस का. अब हम देखते हैं यहाँ क्या इन्होंने कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड किए हैं. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस केटल,
Kettle.
2 mugs are provided. You can just boil your water for tea, or just if you want to have
Tea,
lukewarm
coffee
water.
pouches should also be there. They
अच्छा.
are missing.
अच्छा, टी कॉफी पाउचेस नहीं है, सैशेस नहीं है, बट एनीवे लेट्स सी.
Okay. Locker for your
वैल्यूएबल्स.
And
ये क्या एक्साइटिंग. सबसे पहले ये मुझे देखना है क्या है ये. इन रूम डाइनिंग.
okay. Corona, due to Corona, you can just scan this barcode and you will have your menu on your phone.
ओके.
Just simple as that.
So
Do
you
not
don't have
the
to-
hard copy.
You don't have to call anybody है ना, कि पूछने के लिए खाने में क्या है, आपके फोन पे आ जाएगा.
Usually we have hard-coded menu like this one, but now almost many hotels have introduced this barcode system in their restaurant.
Okay,
hotels.
okay,
You
okay.
can just scan this and the menu will be on your phone.
Seems exciting.
Next thing we have seems like another menu, and this is pretty interesting for some people.
We can have a good, energetic night.
Yeah.
Ah.
And the thing is, you can find it just here in your room in the mini fridge.
So there's a stock full of beverages, soft and hard drinks. So let's check it out. Starting from the first column, we have Absolute vodka. You can have many shots of vodka and have a good time. And the second mini bottle is of Red
Johnny
Label.
Walker, Red Label.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah,
ठीक है.
but this is not complimentary.
We are not advising you to take hard beverages.
Yes.
We do not endorse alcohol at all.
Though this one we can endorse.
This one we can endorse if Bonville is ready to
For
pay us.
dark chocolate lovers. I love dark chocolate.
We all love dark chocolate.
Yes.
And then we have Mirinda. La, la, la.
7-Up. We have Pepsi. So 3 varieties in that.
Real juice.
Real juice, soda, water,
And
beer,
there's beer.
and Sula wines. Many of you will be aware of Sula wines. This is in Maharashtra, Sula vineyards,
Again, a must visit place.
Nasik. Then you
Yes.
can go for a winery tour even. That is one of the places you can
But
visit.
right now, let's focus on our Taj Palace.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
here we have these coffee, sugar, tea sachets.
पहले ही नाम खराब कर दिया कि सेशन नहीं दिए, बताओ. Sorry.
Sorry, Taj.
Sorry, Taj.
Sorry, Tata.
Here we have coffee, immune, vitamin C, lemon and honey, green tea. Okay, blah blah blah. Sugar. And okay.
We have other
Pringles.
and 2 extra glasses.
For your vodka.
Though.
Don't have your vodka in these cups, okay?
Yeah.
Not cool.
And also, these also are not vodka shots.
This is for water.
Can work for moong dal snack.
So you don't have to worry about your midnight cravings
But all these will be chargeable as per that.
menu.
Okay. Be careful about that. Otherwise, some
Mhm.
uninvited expenses.
Can
Can
burn,
come up.
yeah, can burn a hole in your pocket.
Yes.
So next is
Next is this section is also
interesting. Mhm.
first of all laundry
Bags.
bags
With their-
laundry price chart,
Mhm.
and you have an iron in the room with an iron board.
Mhm.
I think this is weighing machine.
Is it?
I think so. Shoe shine.
Yeah.
We have these slippers for your room.
And what is
Not
this?
aware of this.
If you know what is that, you can always write in comment section.
Okay.
There's this emergency exit floor plan that every hotel has in case of emergencies, and this is your mirror.
But this is just not a mirror. Behind the mirror we have washroom. Washroom. It's really important to cover this one as most of us are
Human
worried
beings.
about worried about the hygiene and how the washroom looks. So
Taj.
this is important.
ताज में वॉशरूम की हाइजीन की प्रॉब्लम हो, ओह गॉड, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. इन्होंने टूथब्रश प्रोवाइड किए हैं. वी हैव टूथपेस्ट ऑल्सो, 2 पैकेट्स, एंड वी हैव कॉटन earbuds, lotion, butter soap, blow dryer, and we are provided with towels also, and you can have your nice hot shower or cold shower here. Okay, we are provided with shower gel, hair cleanser, hair conditioner, and soap, obviously. So you can just sit for a while if you're like tired, maybe. You can also adjust these by, you can cover your washroom. So this was it. Back to room.